The JSAUX FlipGo, a portable folding dual-screen display, aims to boost your productivity by offering an extended workspace on the go. Here's a breakdown of its potential benefits and drawbacks to help you decide if it's right for you. Boosting productivity. Dual screens. Extend your workspace with a secondary 13.3 inches or 16 inches display, allowing for multitasking and efficient workflow across multiple applications. Vertical stacking. Stack the screens vertically to create a square-like aspect ratio, potentially reducing head turning and improving focus. Seamless connection. Enjoy an immersive viewing experience with a single cable connection for power and display, simplifying setup and use. Multiple stands. Choose from 3 different kickstand options for comfortable viewing angles and ergonomic positioning. Additional features. Magnetic design. Easily attach and detach the secondary screen for flexible use. Touchscreen option. Control both screens directly with touch input for added convenience. Lightweight and portable. The compact design makes it ideal for mobile work setups or travel. Compatibility. Works with various laptops and operating systems through USB-C connectivity. Here are some of the pros and cons of the JSAUX FlipGo. Pros. Increased screen real estate. Portable and lightweight. Multiple display modes. Touchscreen option. Multiple connection options. Ergonomic design. Cons. Potential price premium. Battery life. Software compatibility. Overall, the JSAUX FlipGo presents an innovative solution for mobile productivity with its dual-screen design. However, the lack of user feedback, potential price premium, and unclear battery life necessitate careful consideration. Researching thoroughly, defining your needs, and exploring alternatives will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your workflow and budget. Remember, the best productivity solution depends on your specific needs and preferences, not just novelty. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.